Did you know that the last nature kingdoms on Earth are very sparse? Let me take you to the Osa Peninsula in Costa Rica. Flying in a prop plane from San Jose, which is Costa Rica's capital, to Puerto Jimenez, small domestic airport, is relatively easy. On the Osa Peninsula, the animals rule. National Geographic has described it as one of the most biologically intense places on Earth. It hosts more than 50% of the country's animal and plant species, while covering only 3% of Costa Rica's land area. The peninsula is estimated to house 2.5% of the biodiversity of the entire world. The Osa is covered almost entirely in magnificent virgin rainforest. Can you spot the toucan? This is an eco-immersion in one of the great untamed wildlife kingdoms of the world. Situated between the Pacific Ocean and the jungle, it is the absolute spiritual journey destination. Thank you, and I will see you soon.